Good morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions, online classes. I am your English language teacher. This is our first period. Before starting our class, we would like to take 2 minutes meditation. So stand like this, keep your hand like this, close your eyes, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now slowly open your eyes. Okay, now back to study. In our previous class we have learned the definition of noun. Students, let's revise. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. We have already learned the name of person. Suppose father, mother, Raju, and name of places school, temple, Kanpur. We have many other places, park, garden. And next is animal. Lion, elephant, and many others, cow, buffalo, deer, you already seen. Next is thing. What is the examples of things? Table, chair, pen, books, etc. These are the examples of things. Okay, so noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. This is the definition of noun. Now, students, I have given you homework in page number 16, exercise A and B. This I have given you homework. I hope you all have done now. Now come to our next exercise. Look at the following pictures and write their names. Their pictures are given here. In the first line, the name of a person's pictures of a persons are given. In the next line, animals and birds of the pictures are given. Next line, things are given, and in the last line, places are given. So we have to fill the names. Open page number 17. Names of persons. Okay. First is the picture of a doctor. So what we will write? Doctor. Next is nurse. You will write nurse. Third is joker. You have to write spelling of joker. And fourth is a teacher. You have to write teacher. Okay. Next is a pictures, names of birds and animals. So first picture is of parrot. Second picture is of cub, lions baby. Third picture is of bird. And fourth picture is of monkey. These are the names of any birds and animals. Next is names of things. First picture is of table. Next picture is of phone. Next picture is of chair. And last picture is of television, TV. Okay kids? Now come to next pictures. There is the names of places. First picture is of zoo. Second is classroom. Third is of beach. These are pictures are given. Name of a persons, name of birds and animals, names of things and names of places. Repeat it. Doctor, nurse, joker, teacher. Names of animals and birds. Parrot, cub, bird, monkey. Names of things. Table, phone, chair, TV. Okay. And next is names of places. Zoo, classroom, beach, hospital. Okay kids. Now come to page number 18. See, in a page number 18, make your list of your own nouns. Okay, means suppose first is written people I know, the people you know, your friends, your family members, your relatives. So you have to write the name of a person in your family or friends. Okay. Places I know means whatever the names of places you know, you have to write like school, temple, park, garden, shop, whatever places you know, you have to write here. Next is animals in the zoo. Everyone who visited to the zoo now, so you have to write the names of animals who are in the zoo. Next is things in your bag. My bag means when you come to school, you carry your bag now. In your bag, so many items are there: books, notebooks, lunch box, water bottle, stationery, and many other things. So you have to mention that things. Okay. Now come to page number 19. In this, help box is given. You have to find words. You have to fill in where words by finding from the help box. Okay. Let's do. Page number 19. Pictures are given and many words are given. You have to fill before and afterwards. Okay. Correct consonant blend to complete the word. First is shell. So on S E double L is already written. So what do you fill? SH. Okay. Next figure is of bench. So BEN is already written. What you have to fill? CH. Okay. You have to fill SH, CH. Next is picture of a nest. NE is already written. So you have to fill ST. Next is OP. OP is written a picture of a drop. So what do you fill? DR. Next is picture of a frog. So what you will write? FR. Next is tree. So TR, tree. Now in the next way, star. AR is already written. You have to write ST. Next picture is of crab. So AB is already written. So you have to write CR. Next is picture of grapes. APS. What you will write? GR. Next picture is of phone. ON is already written, so you have to write PH. Next picture is of shark. ARK is already written, you have to write SH. ALE. What you will write? WH. Like this. SH shell. इसमें CH ऐड किया. Bench. Again we added ST, nest, we have added DR, drop, we have added FR, frog, we have added TR, tree, we have added ST, star, we have added AB, CR, crab, we have added GR, grapes, we have added PH, phone, we have added SH, shark, WH, whale. Okay, like this you have to do in your book. Now class is over, your homework is today for. You have to do page number 17, 18, 19 in book. Now class is over kids. Now we will meet in next class. Till then, complete your work in your book. Thank you for attending the class. Hello kids, welcome back. This is the second period of maths. And I'm your math teacher. Kids, in the previous class, we have already done exercise 3, 4 and 5. You have already done your book now. Now it's come exercise of exercise 6. Addition of 3 numbers. Addition of 3 numbers. To add the 3 numbers, add the first 2 numbers and find the sum. Add the sum obtained above the third number. Okay kids, like this. But take the example 3 plus 2 plus 1. sign of add. This is given. You have to add 3. Then you have to find the addition. Okay, like this. Then again 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. And this is our row number. We will write as it is. So 10 plus 3, the answer will be 30. Okay, guys. Now take another example. 7 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. So addition of 2 digits. 7 plus 1. What answer will come? This was 8. Put that in. Fine. Again. Write 4 because it is a whole number. Then add 8 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What answer will come here? 12. Like this, you have to do addition of 3 digits. Okay, kids? Now, our next topic is word problems. Okay, kids? Word problems. Problems are not so tough. Let's start for example. First is already done. Again I'm starting. Rahul had 5 shirts. His father bought 3 more shirts for him. How many shirts does Rahul have now? Okay. How many Rahul's total number of shirts are? Number of shirts. Rahul has 5. Okay. His father brought 3 more shirts. Then now you have to add how many shirts total Rahul have. Total number of shirts. Then we will add like 5. Then put the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. Okay, kids? Then 5 plus 3, 8. The answer will be 8. The Rahul have total number of shirts Rahul have 8 shirts. Okay. Now come to the next example. Sarita has 2 black marbles and 7 green marbles. How many marbles does Sarita have in all? Number of black marble, 2. Number of green marble equal to 7. Okay. Now, how many marbles does Sarita have in all? Now you have to find total number of marbles. How will we find? We have to add 2 to the sign of addition plus 7. Now 2 plus 7, 9. So how many total number of marbles are there? 9. Now take another example. There are 2 bananas and 4 apples in the basket. How many fruits are there in the basket? Number of bananas 2 and number of apples 4. Okay. Then how many fruits are there in the basket? Okay. Now total number of fruits. So how will we find? We have to add for this. Then we have to write 2. Put the sign of addition plus 4. Now add 2 plus 4, 6. So total number of fruits are there in 6. Okay. Like this we have to do 4th and 5th also. Okay, guys. After that, in a page number 56, some mental math exercise is given. Try to solve it. For any problem, you can consult me. It is very exercise for addition of 2 digit and 3 digit. Okay, because it's given from the chapter itself. 55, 56 and 57. You have to do in your book. And thank you for attending the class. Next we will meet in next class. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is your art period. So everyone just take out your art book and open page number 4. But in our previous class, I told you about color concept. I hope you all have understand this color concept. So now move to our today's topic, and our today's topic is chubby cheek. Color the picture of chubby cheek as indicated. Here as you can see in the picture, for face and for his hand body is indicated with yellow shade color, and this portion with pink, this portion with blue. This is a dress portion. Okay, so here let's start with yellow color, because here yellow color as indicated. Okay, so let's start. Do like this. Kids, please don't rub it. Okay, please don't rub it. Just color it with light hand. Give your pressure lightly. Okay, just do like this. Small, curvy. Okay, and this side opposite. You make C now, so just make C and opposite C direction. Do color it with C. Here color it like this. This is a curvy line. Do like this. And this portion. Okay, so now here as you can see, I complete this portion. In your homework, you all have to color these portions. Okay, so thank you so much students for attending this class. See you in our next turn. Take care. Bye.